You're watching a horror movie. Your heart's racing, your palms are sweaty, and yet, you're loving every second of it. But why do we enjoy being scared out of our minds? What's the psychology behind our obsession with scary movies? Let's crack open that mystery. Hold on to your popcorn. It's going to be a thriller. Beginner's Pill, your regular dose of learning. Scary movies mess with your brain. In a good way. When you're scared, your amygdala lights up. That's your brain's alarm system. It floods your body with adrenaline, racing your heart and sharpening your senses. Who needs theme parks when your brain has fight or fright mode? But here's the twist. Your brain knows you're not in real danger. So while your body reacts like you're being chased by a zombie, your mind is like, hey, this is fun. It's like tricking your brain into enjoying a safe dose of danger. Some of us are wired to love intense experiences. Psychologists call this sensation seeking. These folks enjoy adrenaline spikes and novelty. If you love bungee jumping and watching slashers, you might just be high on the thrill-seeking scale. Ever noticed how horror movies are more fun with friends? That's because fear can bond people. Shared emotional experiences, like screaming together, release oxytocin, the bonding chemical. Nothing like screaming into your bestie's shoulder to say, I love you. Horror movies also let us explore deep fears, like death, isolation, or the unknown, from a safe distance. It's a bit like emotional exposure therapy. By facing fake fears, we feel more in control of real ones. Fun facts. Horror can burn calories. A 90-minute scary movie can burn up to 150. Watching horror before bed can mess with your sleep. Your amygdala doesn't clock out. People who love horror often score high in empathy. Plot twist, right? Alrighty, here's your recap capsule. Scary movies trigger adrenaline, but your brain knows you're safe. Thrilling combo. Sensation seekers get a kick from fear. Screaming together equals bonding time. And horror lets us explore fear in a safe space. So whether you're Team Chainsaw or Team Can't Watch with the lights off, there's a psychological reason you keep hitting play. If your brain's tingling like a haunted house in October, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Thanks for watching Beginner's Pill, your regular dose of learning.